So hi everyone, China, in again a breakthrough moment similar to DeepSeek R1, has now released Manus AI, which is a breakthrough AI agent which can do almost everything that you can imagine. So it can even book tickets for you, it can create a report for you, it can do everything. And the best part being it has beaten OpenAI's deep research on various benchmarks, and it can crawl through internet also, and this is said to be the best AI agent so far. So in this particular video, I will be walking through one of the use cases that the team has shared, deeply analyze Tesla stocks. So this is one of the best use cases that I liked really, because the end result that the team has shared is just amazing. So let's start off with the step-by-step stuff done by Manus AI. So on the right hand side, you can see that what Manus AI is doing. It is using the editor at times, it is using a terminal sometimes, and getting your task done. So this was the problem statement thrown at it. I would like a thorough analysis of Tesla stock, including summary, financial data, market sentiment, technical analysis, comparison, etc. Now here you can see that once Manus starts off, it connects with 6 data sources: get stock chart, get stockholders, get stock insights, get profile, get stock SEC filing, and what analysts can say of a stock. Right. So it is creating a deep search sort of a report only, but in a very planned way. Now here it is creating a new directory, as you can see. Make dir, that is create a directory, and will save everything here only. And this is the main part where Manus.ai is creating a to-do list for this entire problem. Create a to-do list, gather Tesla company overview, collect Tesla financial data, analyze market sentiment for Tesla, perform technical analysis on Tesla stock, compare Tesla with competitors, calculate intrinsic value of Tesla, development, investment thesis for Tesla, etc. So this is the entire plan that is developed by Manus.ai. Now using the internet, using your computer, using browser, very similar to OpenAI's operator, it will also browse through internet sites to gather data. So here you can see that all the commands it is executing. Here it is written a Python file also, gathering Tesla company overview information. As you can see, it is using Yahoo Finance API automatically. We are not doing anything here, and extracting the information from the internet. I have completed gathering Tesla company overview information. Here's what I have collected so far. It will give you all the details now. Now moving on to the next section to collect Tesla's financial data. Now for this, it has written another script on its own, showing everything. This is very detailed and is able to scrap the internet for its information. Now it is in the second part also, historic stock data, revenue analysis, balance sheet strength, etc. And these are the charts that it is able to prepare. Tesla's annual revenue is this, and other different charts are also present. This is very impressive, given the detailing it is able to do and given the plan it has created for itself. Now, I have completed market sentiment analysis for Tesla. Here, what I have found. This is the information, and this is the chart that it is able to create. It's still performing certain tasks, executing commands, browser it is using the internet search as well. All the plots it is able to create. I'll show you the final result also. This is very impressive. These are all the charts it is creating one by one on its own. Now, now here you can see that it is able to gather all the information that we have asked for it and view all files in this session. You can see that too. It is able to extract every information. Here is the analysis report that it is able to create on its own. Now, let's move on to the next surprising part. Here you can see the company history and major milestones are also mentioned, business model, financial analysis year by year, profit metrics, balance sheet, everything it is able to get in a single file. Well, then make dashboard. Now this is very interesting. As you will see, it has created a dashboard also which is accessible on this particular URL. Develop it on a public URL. So it was able to develop the dashboard on a private URL first. Now it is able to develop on a public URL also. And this is the dashboard that it creates finally. This is something amazing. Executive summaries their financial performance, valuation analysis, market position, SWOT analysis, price targets and scenarios, etc. very beautiful and very complicated also. And to do everything on its own, as you saw, there was just not a single prompt given. There was a single initial prompt, and rest of the things were done by Manus AI. So this is something out of the box. Apart from that, let's run through another example. Trip to Japan in April. So basically, this is an itinerary it will able to create for you. So the first one was around stock market analysis. Now this is the second example. As you can see in this case, why I'm picking up this example, we will drawing it a little fast. It is able to browse through internet also. As you can see on the right hand side, certain websites are getting opened and there is an action it is doing. If you can see, yes, scrolling down, scrolling down. So the Manus AI agent is able to like open a operator is able to browse through the internet and then click on elements, scroll down also, etc. And then in the end of the day, it would be able to give you final result also, something like this. And it is even created a handbook also. So there are multiple examples that our team has shared. These are the two examples that I really like the most. The stock one is just out of the box. I think now doing trading is very easy. Apart from that, here is a short handbook it has created for you for your Japan trip, which involves all the information, different types of attractions, maps are present, Tokyo highlights, crazy stuff. As you can see here, Kyoto highlight what are the places you should be visiting, maps and all. Everything is included, and there are multiple files also it is able to give in the end of the day. So Manus AI agent looks amazingly good, and it can actually be a breakthrough moment similar to DeepSeek R1. Thank you.